Hello, Shala. Good evening, dear. Good evening. Hello, please open your cam now so that we can start here. Hello, dear. Hello, Kevin. No, Shala, rather. I'm so sorry. Shala, please turn on your cam. Wow, are you eating now? Okay, please eat first. Before we start, please eat first, okay? Please eat first. We cannot start because you are eating there. Please eat first. I'm going to off my mic in here, okay? Hello, little brother. How are you? Okay, Shala, just tell me if you're done, okay?
Biểu, như bây giờ đã sẵn rồi. Như này là ở bên mình. Hello. Có gì nữa? Nhớ không tốt nha. Bên mình nhá. Có gì quá. Có gì rồi.
Okay, are you done?
No.
Okay. Faster, please. Okay, are you done? Okay, please turn on your cam now so that we can start in here. Yes, please open your cam now. Yes, okay. How are you today, Nashala? How are you? What?
I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, I think you're done. Okay. Yes, how's the weather like there today? How is it?
It's sunny.
Oh, sunny. Wow. Okay, so what did you do today? Did you want to school today?
Yes.
What did you do at school?
Love.
How about writing, singing,
Reading.
dancing, reading? Wow, very nice. Okay.
And I taste.
Oh, and how's your test? How was your test? How's the result? Have you already know your result? Not yet? Okay. So, what day is today? Today is Thursday. Yes. Okay, can you say, little brother, today is Thursday? Little brother, hello, can you say, today is Thursday? Very good. Okay, how about tomorrow, Shala? Tomorrow will be
Tomorrow will be Friday.
Friday. Very good. Are you excited that tomorrow is Friday? Will be Friday? Yes, very good. How about yesterday? Yesterday
That's the life.
was yesterday was
Thursday.
yes, Wednesday. Okay, so are you ready now to start our lesson? Or are you going to finish first your food? Okay, please finish first your food now.
Yo.
Okay, Pastor, because this is test, you should need to listen the audio. Just tell me if you're done, okay?
Love you. Con cá hả? Biết không? Ừ. Love you. Love you. Ôi. Ủa, sao không cho cái thịt vô? Thịt bò. Thịt bò. Thế? Ăn bò đúng không? Chưa ăn bò đó. Ăn nhiều lên. Đây đâu? Ăn. Ê, đừng có từ nào. Được rồi, được rồi. Để nha, canh nha, muốn canh nha. Nghe. Không. Nghe vậy. Không hết. Gì hết. Con này không gì mà không đi nè. Rồi.
Okay, faster so that we can start. But eat slowly, okay? Eat slowly
Ăn gì?
so that you can get some hiccup. Shella, faster, do not play. Do not close your cam so that I will know if you're done. Okay?
Ông ăn bánh rồi á. Cái giờ cơm. Nói gì?
Okay, are you done? Are you done? Let's start now. Okay. Can you see the screen clearly now? Can you see the screen? Shala, can you see the screen? How about that? Can you see it? Are you done? Stop playing.
Dạ.
Okay, can you see the screen?
Dạ.
Okay, so let's have part 2 in listening. Okay, listen and write. There is one example. How old is Jane? How old is Jane? She is? Is? Again, can you say she is 9 years old?
She's not.
Can you please complete the sentence? She
She's
is?
not years old.
Okay, very good. So, you are going to listen first the audio. Are you ready now? Okay, please listen, and eyes on the screen.
Bill.
Okay?
Part 2. Listen and look. There is one example. Happy birthday.
Thanks.
How old are you?
I'm 9 today.
9. That's great.
Cái đó đây.
Can you see the answer? Now you listen and write. 1. What did your family give you?
Mummy and Daddy gave me a boat.
Oh, you mean a sailing boat?
A toy sailing boat.
Leo lên bàn của lúc cha.
2.
And my sister gave me a basketball.
Okay, is that the correct spelling of the word sailing? Shala, I'm asking you. Okay, is this the correct spelling of the word sailing? I think you forget to write letter I. Sailing. Okay, you are going to I in there. Okay.
Sailing.
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 Sailing. Again. I'm not joking here. Can you say sailing?
Sailing.
Okay. How? Okay. Please listen again.
Do you play a lot?
Yes, but soccer is my favourite sport.
3. What did your brother give you?
He always gives me clothes.
Teacher, I don't hear.
4. How old is your brother?
He is older than I am. He's 13.
13.
Yes.
5. And what's his name?
His name's Luke.
How do you
Luke.
Okay. Alright, so let's check your answers now. Are you ready? Are you ready now, Shala? Okay, so let's check your answers. Alright, so I'm going to view all the correct answers in here and let's see if your answers are correct. Okay, number 1. Present from mommy and daddy. A toy. Yes, a toy sailing boat. But favorite sport?
Teacher, when I go,
What again?
when I go
Sure. Okay, are you ready now? All right.
Yes.
Number 2, the correct answer is soccer, not basketball. Okay, number 3, presents from her brother. Those are clothes. Okay, number 4, how old is Jane's brother? How old is 13, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Jane's brother's name is Luke. So number 1 is correct, but number 2 is not correct. 3 correct, 4 and 5 correct. So in here you got 4 out of 5. Okay, clap your hands now. Inshallah, good job, dear. Yes, very good. Okay, so let's have the second page in this lesson. So let's have part 3. Did Lucky do last week? Please find from the day to the correct pictures the example. Are you ready now to answer?
Yes.
But before that, I want you to describe in each what are they doing. How about in the first picture? Can you tell me what happened in the picture? Shala, how about in the first picture? Tell me what happened in the first picture.
She is wearing shoes.
Lucky is what? What?
Sofa.
Yes, and she is buying something, right? She was.
Yeah.
She was both some papers, right? Right, Shala?
Yes.
Are you still eating?
Yes.
Okay, how about in the second picture? Can you see what happened in that picture? Can you tell me what happened in that picture?
But look and mother are playing.
Yes, get Lucky and his friends are playing outside the house, right? But in the third picture, can you tell me what happened in the picture?
The picture.
The picture shows that Lucky and his friends are playing what? Soccer. Soccer in the garden. Very
In
good
a
again.
park.
Okay, can you tell me? And they are now at home and they are playing outside in the house. Outside the house. Yes. Look at the fence. Okay, can you describe again? Describe again. Can you describe again? Shall I to hear? Please describe again. Lucky and her friends
Okay, and her friends
are playing outside
outside
with her friends a
and
soccer.
the
Okay, very good. How about in here? Can you tell me what happened in the picture? Can you tell me? Hello?
The lucky and the
The
lucky,
fourth picture.
lucky friend are playing seesaw.
Okay, how about in here? What happened to Lucky?
He is in house and watching soccer.
Okay, very good. How about the last picture? Where is Lucky now?
Lucky is in the supermarket.
Mm,
Is going shopping with her mom.
very good. Okay, clap your hands now, Shala. Great job, dear. Okay, so can you please listen to the audio now so that you can start answering here? Okay, please listen.
Part 3. Look at the pictures. What did Lucy do last week? Listen and look. There is one example.
Hello, Lucy. What did you do on Saturday?
Oh, and Dad, Uncle Tony.
Did you help them in the garden?
Yes, there's lots of work to do there.
Can you see the line from Saturday? On Saturday, Lucy went to the garden. Now you listen and draw lines.
Shala, use the pen. And please listen to the audio carefully.
What did you do on Tuesday?
I went shopping with Mum.
To buy some food?
Okay.
Wait.
Do you want to listen again?
Lucy, what did you do on Saturday?
I helped Mum and Dad, Uncle Tony.
Them in the garden?
Yes, there's lots of work to do there.
Can you see the line from the word Saturday? On Saturday, Lucy worked in the garden. Now listen and draw lines. 1.
What did you do on Tuesday?
I went shopping with Mum.
To buy some food?
Yes, we bought lots of food on Tuesday.
2.
And did you have a day on Sunday?
Yes, we were all at home.
Your brothers, Tom and Bill, too?
Yes.
It was a nice sunny day.
We all played football in the garden.
3.
I saw you on Monday. No, it was Friday.
Did you? Where?
By the shoe shop.
Oh, I didn't see you.
No, I drove past in the car. Did you buy any shoes?
No, I didn't like any.
4.
And were you at home on Wednesday?
Well, after school I was.
Did you play in the garden?
My friend, Alex, came to my house and we both played outside.
Does she go to your school too?
Yes, she's in my class.
5.
And what did you do on Thursday? Did you go shopping?
On Thursday? No, I watched TV.
What did you watch?
Yes, it was a great game.
Yes, I watched it too.
Okay, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, let's check your answers. So, alright, in the first picture, when does Lucky the shop? When does Lucky want to shop? On
Friday.
Friday. Let's see. Yes, on Friday. Well, when does Lucky and have gardening? When they have their gardening? On
Wednesday.
Saturday, right?
Wednesday.
When when does Lucky and playing at the garden?
Wednesday.
Sunday, right? Okay, how about, okay, so the first picture you are correct, second one, and this one. So you got 5 out of 5 in here, right? Okay, great job, Shala. Clap your hands now, dear. Very good. Are you happy with your score? Are you happy with your score in here, Shala? What's that? Okay.
So
So
can
let
I drink water?
what?
So can I drink water?
Do you want to drink water? Okay, you can drink. Let's have water break. Me too. I want to drink water first. Excuse.
Well, yeah. Cái gì ngại quá, ui, cái bác làm sao vậy? Bill. Bác đừng nói sao. Cái gì? Nghe ra nhả ra đi. Buồn mặt rồi đó, đừng nghe phá nữa. Hả to ra.
Do not close your camera. Hello, little one. How are you today? How are you? Are you happy today? Are you happy today? Hi, what's your name? What's your name? My name? What's your name?
Cái
What's your name?
His name is Bill.
Bill? Wow. Okay, shall I sit properly now so we can start? Okay, so let's have part 4. Listen and tick the box. There is one example. What did Sally have? Listen to teacher first. Okay. What did Sally have for lunch? Shala, hello. What did Sally have for lunch?
Hamburger and chip.
Okay, very good. Hamburger and chips. Okay, it's letter A. Number 1, can you please read first the question? Louder your voice, I can't hear you well.
What did Ben do yesterday?
Okay, how about number 2?
What did Fred see yesterday?
Okay, listen to the audio now, okay?
Part 4. Look at the pictures. Listen and look. One example. What did Sally have for lunch?
What did you eat for lunch, Sally? Only a burger.
And some French fries.
Did you drink anything?
No, nothing.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. What did Ben do yesterday?
What did you do yesterday, Ben?
I played
With some friends?
no with my brothers.
How many brothers have you got?
4.
4 brothers. Great!
2. What did Fred see yesterday?
Where did you go yesterday, Fred? I went to the zoo. Did you see any lions? No. But I saw some pandas. Pandas? Yes. And a lot of monkeys. Oh, I love monkeys.
Okay, are you done?
Yes.
Okay, let's check your answers. Number 1, what did Ben do yesterday?
Ben play basketball with his brother.
Brothers. How many brothers does Ben have?
There are 4 brothers.
Very good. It's letter. Great job, Shala. Number 2, what did Fred see yesterday?
Christy, monkey, and panda.
Panda. Very good. Do you like monkey, Shala?
Yes.
Wow. Do you like monkey?
No.
Okay, me too. I don't like monkey because I'm scared monkey. Yes. All right, so let's have number 3. Can you please read all the questions in here? Please. Number 3, please read the question.
What does Jim have for breakfast?
Number 4.
What pet has Peter got?
5.
Yeah. What's Joe
Again.
left? Where's does Joe?
One more time, please. Where?
Where does she live?
Okay. Listen to the audio now.
3. What does Jim have for breakfast?
What do you have for breakfast, Jim?
Bread and milk.
Only
No, I have fruit too.
what kind? Bananas?
No, apples and pears.
4. What pets has Peter got?
Wait.
Peter bought a new pet
Do you want to listen again?
today. What is it? A rabbit. Lots of pets. Yes, he's got a cat, a dog, and a rabbit. And a parrot. Oh, yes.
5. Where does Jill live?
Do you live in the countryside, Jill?
Yeah, I do. In a small house next to a lake.
In the mountains?
No, not in the mountains.
Okay, so are you ready now to check your answers?
Yeah.
Okay, number 3, what is your answer? Jim have for breakfast? What does Jim have for breakfast? Can you tell me?
You have bread, milk, toast, and pear.
Very Letter A. How about number 4? What has Peter got?
Peter has parrot, dog, cat, and rabbit.
Alright, it's letter A. How about number 5? Where does Jill live?
He lives in a countryside.
Okay. Very good, dear. All your answers are correct. So you got 5 out of 5, right? Yes, great job. Okay, clap your hands now, Shala. Great job, dear. Very good. Okay, so let's proceed now to the next page. We have 2, 3 to answer here. Okay, let's have part 5. Listen and color and draw. There is one example. Okay,
Okay.
right. Color the letter H in word shop red. Color.
Oh.
Not blue. The letter H only. Do not cover the letter H.
More.
Yes, like that. Okay. Draw an eye shape. Draw an eye. Where is the ship? Okay. Oh, you need to draw 2 eyes.
Oh, one eye.
No, 2 eyes.
I see one eye here.
Okay. So color the flowers on the scarf yellow. Color the flowers scarf yellow.
Where?
Color the flowers on the scarf yellow. Here. Where is the scarf? Yes. Only the flower. I will not accept your color.
Yeah.
See the flower. Again. Only the flower. Do not color the scarf. Do not color all the scarf. Only the flower.
Finish.
Okay. How about number 4? Draw 2 stars on the kite. Draw 2 stars on the kite.
Sister.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, very good. Number 5. Color the guitar green. Color the guitar green.
Finish.
Okay, so let's check your answers. Very good. Yellow star. Alright, all the answers are correct. Very good.
Already packed.
Yes. Alright, and here you got 5 out of 5. Alright, great job, Shala. Claps now, dear. Okay, so I think it's already time now, Shala. Goodbye. See you next time. Have
Bye-bye,
a good
teacher.
night.